Imagine standing at the edge of a lively marketplace, the air filled with the chatter of eager vendors and the scent of fresh opportunities. This isn't just any marketplace, though. This is a vibrant, competitive world of government contract bidding, where businesses compete for lucrative deals that can transform their businesses. Are you ready? Are you ready to start bidding contracts? Yes or no? No or yes? Let me know. And if you don't know, you can say you don't know. But let us know in the chat. Are you ready to start bidding contracts? So we have some yeses from Chan. Beautiful Queen says no. Ashley says yes. Okay. Now, if you said yes, where are you going to start looking for opportunities at? If you said no, what do you need to do to get ready to start bidding contracts? And you do know, once you start bidding contracts, you need to know how to price. You need to know how to write your proposal, right? Yes, you need to know that, okay? Okay, some says I need to know phase one, identify my 3 customer,